The launch of Intel's 12th generation Alder Lake chips marked the arrival of DDR5 RAM kits on the market, which is the next evolution of system memory. There are many products available to choose DDR5 RAM memory kits, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best DDR5 RAM memory kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ADATA XPG Lancer DDR5 RAM. The ADATA XPG Lancer DDR5 is capable of reaching frequencies of up to 7200 MHz and offers up to 16 GB worth of memory allocation per module. XPG made some of the best DDR4 RAM, so the quality of its DDR5 is of no surprise. These Lancer DDR5 memory sticks are also suitable for overclocking and come with support for Intel XMP 3.0 for one-click performance tuning. 38 CAS latency is among the lowest we've seen so far in the DDR5 space, so it's very promising. This DDR5 memory from XPG also offers a PMIC power management integrated circuit and EC error correcting code, thereby increasing the overall performance and stability of the kit. If all that wasn't enough already, these things also feature customizable RGB lighting. They're simply one of the best RAM kits available. Number 2. Kingston Fury Beast DDR5. The Kingston Fury Beast was one of the first DDR5 RAM kits to hit the market after the arrival of Alder Lake chips. We're looking at a standard blacked-out heat spreader with a striking design and some sharp edges. One of the best things about these sticks is that they have a low-profile design that stands 48-25 mm tall. This makes them compatible with a wide variety of CPU coolers on the market. The Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 kit is available between 16 GB and 64 GB kits. Kingston sells a couple of different versions of these sticks with varying memory frequencies and latencies. We're looking at a base memory speed of 4800 MTS and memory latency of CL40. It supports XMP for one-click overclocking up to 6000 MTS depending on the kit. When it comes to performance, the Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 sticks were able to deliver some solid results. We tested the kit with a 12th Gen Intel Core i9-12A90K, which was one of the best CPUs from Intel's 12th generation. Using a Gigabyte Z690 Aorus Pro DDR5 motherboard, we were also able to push the modules up to 5200 MTS at 125V using the XMP profiles without much of an issue. Number 3. Teamgroup Elite DDR5. Teamgroup's DDR5 module comes with a naked black-colored PCB. There's no fancy heat spreader or flashy RGB at play here. Teamgroup is offering two 16 GB DDR5 modules in a dual-channel presentation. They both operate at DDR5 4800 with 40-40-40-77 timings and only require 1.1V to hit the advertised data speeds. Teamgroup's DDR5 4800 memory modules adhere to JEDEC specifications for DDR5 and pack a built-in power management IC PMIC and voltage regulator module VRM. Despite being non-EC memory, this kit supports the DDR5 on die EC that corrects DRAM cells for stability. As is the case with most DDR5 memory modules, Teamgroup's DDR5 memory does command a slight premium over DDR4. However, compared to many other DDR5 kits, this one is quite affordable. The lack of RGB or included heat spreader has helped keep the cost down. For pricing, this kit is in the same ballpark as some of the high-end DDR4 kits that are available on the market. Number 4. Gskill Trident Z5 RGB DDR5 RAM. Gskill makes some excellent RAM, and the Trident Z5 DDR5 7800 kit is one of our favorites for performance. In our testing and review, we found the Gskill Trident Z5 DDR5 7800 to be an excellent choice for AMD and Intel chip owners, though the former will not be able to make full use of the available speeds due to the limitations with AMD Ryzen processors. These modules are capable of hitting speeds of up to 8000 MTS with Expo and XMP, though even our slightly slower kit was able to push beyond its rated speed. Thus we imagine it to be possible to move comfortably into the 8000 MTS range. Capacity for these kits is available as either 32 GB, 48 GB, or 64 GB, formed of two 16 GB, 24 GB, or 32 GB modules, respectively. Number 5. Corsair Vengeance DDR5 RAM. Corsair has updated its Vengeance series with a new DDR5 RAM kit in addition to the Dominator Platinum series. The new Vengeance kit arrives with a slight makeover, although the overall design remains quite familiar from previous generations. It settles for an aluminum heat spreader with a basic design that's as perfect to use with larger coolers as it always has been. Just like the Dominator Platinum kits, the Vengeance kit checks in at DDR5 5 and 200 speeds. These modules are capable of going all the way up to 7000 MTS, however. Starting from just 16 GB kits and ending up at expensive offerings with 192 GB capacities. Regardless of which kit you end up picking, you'll be able to enjoy relatively low power consumption. The Vengeance DDR5 kit will allow you to control the XMP profile via Corsair's IQ software. You'll get multiple XMP profiles to choose from, and changing them is as easy as pressing a button. The overclock PMIC that we saw on the more expensive Dominator Platinum DDR5 module is also present here, which is great. The Vengeance DDR5 kits aren't as flashy as the Dominator Platinum kits. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.